everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tasha, and I'm back with you guys with another video. So for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a retwist on long locks, and I'm also going to be two-stranding them. I'm going to be retwisting these locks without clips, so let's jump right in. So as you guys can see, I'm pulling the locks down just so that I can get a nice row to start my twist with, and then I just go ahead and jump right in. For time's sake, I didn't want to have you guys watching an extra long video, so I decided to go ahead and do some of the hair, and then I came back. That's what you'll see in the next clip. As you guys can see, I'm not using any clips. I'm just retwisting the lock, like tightening up the root. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today, but I'm tightening up the root, and I am just twisting it over so it stays in place, kind of like you would do a bantu knot. And I feel like that works perfectly fine. Sometimes I retwist with clips and sometimes I don't, but for this style, I didn't want to retwist with clips just because I knew I was going to go ahead and two-strand. So what I do is I basically twist all of the locks the same way, and I use the lock that is behind the lock. So as you guys can see here, I have the front lock and then I have the back lock. So I pulled the second lock, which is behind that one, and I twist it over, and that's how I do my two-strand twist. I'm gonna go over it another time, but as you guys can see, it's pretty simple, but I'll let you guys just watch. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this is the end of the video. I finished the hair. I'm just putting some mousse on it to keep it nice and frizzless. And I also put the mousse on it just so that it can hold its shape once he eventually takes the twist out. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.